and told me that's what you needed.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. How has your weekend been? So this is going to be like a start of a new vlog. Today is Tuesday, and as usual I'm going out. I don't even know if it's as usual at this point because it's been a while I haven't actually gone out. So I'm going out today to run some errands, and yeah, your girl has been a little sick, not very sick, just a little bit sick, and I wanted to rush to the hospital and just take some medication because I've been trying this, leaving it for 2 weeks. It's actually cold. I have stuffy nose, and I was thinking I'll just let it go. You know, when you're sick, especially when you have a cold. I was told that when you have a cold, especially when I take my kids to the hospital over there, that you just have to let it run its course. But since I started having this cold, it has been more than 2 weeks, and I've taken some counter medications, but it's still severe. So I thought maybe I should just go get some professional help rather than just using my medication or my counter medication, or even just using my instincts. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. How is your day going? Then also I'll be going to run some errands for my husband, then probably get to the market and buy fish and okra. I want to make okra and fish soup. That is what I'm craving today. But please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also, if you have been subscribed but you don't get notifications on my videos, the only thing you can do now that is going to rectify that problem is for you to unsubscribe, then subscribe again. Just click on subscribe, then subscribe again. Then you're going to be able to get notifications. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. People have been complaining they don't get notifications from my videos, and not only from my videos, from other creators as well. So yeah, that's what you can do to rectify that problem. I'll see you guys later. Okay. It's been raining helter skelter here in Port Harcourt, guys. See, are you guys seeing? It's raining seriously. I actually went to the ATM to get some money, but now since I came to town, like I came towards my one area, I just decided to use one stone to kill two birds. I'm going to Borokiri market now so I can buy some stuff. So that's what I usually do whenever I come to this part of Port Harcourt. I like to take advantage of it and just get as much things as I can. But unfortunately it's raining, but it doesn't matter. I'll still just have to try and get some things. So I'm going to Borokiri market. Let me buy fresh oporo. You guys know my usual stuff I buy from the market here. I like to buy oporo, the dry one, the fresh one, and crayfish and seafood. Basically seafood. This is my market for seafood, and it's the Borokiri or Creek Road market that I told you guys in my market vlog. If you haven't watched that market vlog, I don't know. So anyways, that's where I'm going to now. So I'll talk to you guys once I get there. But because it's raining, I don't know if I'm able to film or be able to film. But let's go to the market. Okay. So coincidentally, this is going to turn out to be a market vlog. One good thing about me is I always have an umbrella in my car. You guys can see. So that is what I'm going to use now. Ooh, I feel someone just pushed me. I don't know what's up with this car. So I'm going to take the umbrella because I don't want to go outside. I have to make it work. I don't want this rain to touch me again. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So Hey you all, so guys, I'm back to the car. I ended up buying two. I bought two crayfish. I wanted to buy oporo too, guys. You guys bear with me, like my nose is running, seriously. So I wanted to buy two, one oporo as per the big one, but they said oporo now is 5,000. So I ended up buying just one. Then the crayfish was a little cheaper, it was 3,000. So I got two of the crayfish and one oporo, right? What is, I think this is oporo. So this is the crayfish. This one here, one is 3,000, one is 3,000. It's very big, like it's affordable. I used to think it was 4,000. There was a time when crayfish was 4,000. Oporo 2 was 4,000. Okay, crayfish was 2,500. Then oporo was 4,000. But now oporo is 5,000 and crayfish is 3,000. So we move. So guys, we're going to the next place. I want to get seafood, fresh one, because it's also seafood, but fresh seafood.
Face, girl, you told me that's what you needed. That's in my face. Yeah, cause you were kind one and that was easy. Watching, waiting problems. Watching, waiting problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. It's on your breath, but in my head I still think you mean it. Thoughts left unsaid, you're fading fast, common sense depleted. Oh no, watching, waiting problems. Watching, waiting problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. 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 Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. You put your hands all over my body. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you inch yourself up on me, no, baby. No, baby. Put your hands all over my body.
So guys, actually saw this. I wanted you guys to see it. See this water side. It's not the cutest, but it's actually a water side, and I wanted to show you guys.
Face, girl, you told me that's what you needed. That's in my face.
This is me climbing this side.
Cause you were kind one and that was easy.
Okay.
Watching, waiting problems. Watching, waiting problems. Baby, I won't let you take it out of me, no, baby. Thought this was love, but I'm still blind to see, no, baby. As you Get yourself up on the middle, baby. You put your hands all over my body. It's on your breath, but in my head I still think you mean it.
So guys, fun fact about this water, I've actually entered this water before, but not this particular one. The one I entered was the one from my place. Like, if you know where I'm from on there, and there's like a very big sea there. So I entered the one from my place. I just crossed it to a place called there's this place called Pokeri. It's just directly opposite the Bonnet Wharf. So that's the one I actually entered. I've never entered the boat on this one. I've never ridden on this boat and all this stuff. But the one I entered was this fly boat. The time that is coming now, you guys see that fly boat coming over there. That's the one I've entered, and everyone is actually staring at me. But I thought they're staring, but who cares? No one. So we're about to get on the boat. See? I would have loved to join you guys. It's actually raining, but yeah, the last time I entered the boat, this type of boat though, not good boat, this type of boat, it was actually like this, like it was just impromptu. I just wanted to satisfy my curiosity and I joined them. I paid them, was it 100 naira going, 100 naira coming or something like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys see part of the market vlog. So this is also part of the market as well. This one is baking. So guys, I'm back. So it stopped raining and now it's very hot. It was
Get yourself up on the middle, baby. Put your hands all over my body. Girl, you told me that's what you needed.
So guys, I just came back home. It's been a long day. It's about 7 to 7 or 6:30 p.m. I finished there and I went to the hospital. You guys saw that. In fact, it's just a lot. I just need to finish, clean up. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little poor. I want to finish now, then clean up and cook so they can eat. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, like, share, subscribe. Renee is crying. She wants me to carry her. Like, share, subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Face. Girl, you told me that's what you needed. That's in my face.